Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi. I'm so excited to be filming this video today. Obviously, you guys have seen the title. It is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull unboxing. If you know me, you have known I've wanted this bag literally since like middle school. Ever since Tara Michelle went to Fit'em and this was her school bag, I was like, I need one. And today's the day that I finally got one. I have been working very hard the past few years and I've been saving up, and I've actually been trying to buy this bag for a few months and it's been out of stock, and it was finally in stock and ready to add it to my cart. So I did it and I bought it, and now we're gonna unbox it. So I live in North Dakota. I don't have a Louis Vuitton store around me at all. I think the closest one is in Minnesota, which I've actually been to before. I actually vlogged. I don't think I vlogged in the store, but I vlogged me and my purchase, I want to say. I honestly can't remember. It was a few years ago. I bought a key pouch and I actually already have one. And the one that I bought there, the stitching was like really bad and it like wasn't even, so I ended up returning it because I was like, I'm not gonna pay $200 for something when the quality is like not there. That's the only time I've ever purchased anything in store. I do have a video of me unboxing my first ever Louis Vuitton item, which was my Speedy Bee 25, so I can link that video down below too. But I did purchase that one online, so I am familiar with the whole unboxing it from a shipping box. I also have a video of me unboxing a Gucci bag, so I can link that down below too if you guys like watching luxury unboxing videos. I know I do. I just feel like it's so nice to see, compare sizes, see what people think about them, everything like that. So it just comes in a plain brown box. It doesn't say anything on it. The shipping even says somewhere in New Jersey. It doesn't even say Louis Vuitton. I'm sure for like security purposes, so people don't like steal it off your porch, which they're supposed to make you sign for this, and they didn't. My UPS guy just dropped it off my porch. So I'm glad I was waiting by the door for this, because if someone stole this off my porch, I would have been mad. But then when you open it up, it does say Louis Vuitton. And I already took the ribbon off because I didn't think to film this until I was already halfway through opening it, and then I was like, wait, I need to film this. It comes with the blue ribbon. It's wrapped around the box like a present. So when you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. It just says Louis Vuitton. And then it is a magnetic opener at the bottom. So the first thing we got in there is the receipt. It comes in just like a little folder that looks like the box. The client copy of the receipt. It's got a little thank you card. This is the exchange and return information. And then a return label if I wanted to send it back, which I'm not sending it back. I know last time I did my unboxing video, people were commenting on it and saying it was fake. That really made me mad because it is not fake. I do have fake bags that I will show you a little bit later in this video. I'm going to hold this up so you guys have proof. It's real. I paid for it, a whole $1,600 and some dollars. It's real. And then we got the dust bag, which says Louis Vuitton on it, and it just flaps open, and there she is. Oh my goodness. It is so surreal to like have this in my arms. Something I have been wanting for literally years and working towards saving my money to get. I am so grateful and so thankful. Oh my goodness. But as you guys can see, I got the Neverfull MM in the monogram print, and then I got the beige interior. Don't quote me on this because I don't know for sure, but I feel like it used to be lighter and now I feel like it's a little bit darker, but I like that just because if it gets stained or gets a little bit dirty. And then inside it also comes with the little pouch. I was so excited for this. A lot of people say they don't use these, but I'm excited for this. Like if I just need to run somewhere and grab something, and just grab this. And then inside here it says made in the USA of imported materials and components. So I got a US one. Same thing but another language. And then a little scanny thing. And then on the inside of here it just has one little pouch against the side, and then the strap, which you can wear a few different ways. I just hooked it like this, so it's more of like a wristlet. I know a lot of people sell these too once they get their bags because like they don't want them, and they go for like $500. I always look at the stitching because like I said, when I went to the store in Minnesota, the stitching was just so bad. Like the bottom wasn't even at all. It was like jaggy. As for the bag, I was actually going in between literally all the prints. I didn't know which one I wanted. I do have my fake one here that I got a few years ago. I did vlog myself getting this. I might have actually privated that video by now. I'm not really sure. I went through one day and privated a bunch. But I got this because I didn't know how much I would actually use a tote bag. I'm more of like a small purse kind of girl, but I use this all the time and it literally shows like it's bent open, it's broken. I've worn this thing down and I really liked this color. It snows and it rains a lot here in North Dakota, and so this I feel like is more protective just because it's coated, and this one, if it gets wet, it will stain. This one it won't. I also really liked this, but in the white checkered print with a pink inside. I think that is so cute. This fake one has the red. I'm not a red person, so if I would have got this print, I would have done the pink inside. But yeah, I have used the heck out of this thing and I've loved it, so it definitely showed me that I would get my money's use out of a real one. And so I did end up going with the monogram print. I do have the Speedy, like I talked about earlier in this video, in the monogram, and I love it. I just feel like it's a classic. It's a classic print. Anyone sees this, they know the pattern, they know it's Louis Vuitton. That is just what I wanted, and I feel like it just fits me the best out of all the patterns. I also wanted to show too with the leather. I've had this one for almost 3 years now and it has patinaed so nice. It is a nice like honey color, and so I'm excited for this one to start getting darker. I love how the dark looks on here. As for the inside of this bag, it does have one pouch right here with a little zipper. I know my Speedy came with like perfume samples. I'm not seeing any with this one. This pocket's actually really deep. Like I can fit my whole entire hand in there, which is great. And then it does flap up too. I did want to find the like date code in here because I really wanted to see when it was made, but I read online that they took them out of here. If you don't know what a date code is, sorry, I feel like this video is all over the place, but stamped inside the bags normally, I don't know if you can see that, but it's letters and then a series of numbers, and it tells you where it was made at in the world, what month and what year. And like I said, it said they took them out of here, so this one doesn't have it. I just think it's cool to know exactly when and where it was made. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just went on the Louis Vuitton website to see the dimensions for this bag, and when I bought it, it was $1,540 without tax, and now it's $1,690 without tax. Oh my god. Thank God I bought it before it went up this much. Holy cow. Well, if you want it, you should probably go buy it now because the price just keeps going up. For dimensions of this bag, it is 12.6 length, 11.14 height, and 6.7 width. So it is pretty big. I do have the MacBook, which is like 16 inches, and so I was nervous because I didn't think it was gonna fit in here. It does fit in here. It is a little bit stuffed, like it just perfectly fits right in there. If you want me to do a what's in my bag video, definitely let me know. I'm not gonna do it in here just because I just got it and I don't have a routine with it yet, so I don't have anything to show you guys yet. Another thing I really liked about this is if you want it to be smaller, you can push in the sides and then push this up. I only did one side just so you can see, but you can pull it up like this to make it more of like a square, smaller bag. You just tuck the side in and pinch up the side, and you can make it a smaller tote bag. I do spray my bags. I know some people are against that, but I use Apple Guard. That is what most people use, I found from watching unboxing videos, and so that is what I used. I did use it on my Speedy and it's still patinaed really nice, and it doesn't have any water damage. There is a lot more area for this to get water damage than this though, but I'm still gonna spray it because like I said, I live in North Dakota. It's snowing and raining constantly. So overall, I'm excited about this bag. I definitely think it is worth it for me. This was a goal I've had for a while, is to buy this, and I did it. And I'm so proud of myself for working hard and saving my money so I could get this bag. If you have any luxury bags, or if you want any, definitely let me know it down in the comments. I love looking them up online. If you have any questions about bags, I can try to answer them down below. I know on my last one, a lot of people asked questions that I didn't know the answer to. So if you don't think I know the answer, try to Google it. I'm sure Google can help you way more than I could. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me on YouTube. My most viewed video is me unboxing my Speedy. So that's why I wanted to film this video for you guys. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye guys.